Yo guys, it is Marshall Ricardo, and today we're going to be doing another green screen tutorial 2022. This one we're going to add a little bit of more editing to it, so let's get right into it. So first, we want to put our green screen clip on the, we want to keep the settings, and we're going to quickly scale this up a bit. It's about 151. So here's the clip from Breaking Bad. That's the green screen right there. And this is this is gonna be the green screen clip. So what we need to do alright, so that's that. So what we want to do is go into effects and search up Ultra key. And when you do that, you want to drag it onto the green screen clip. Anyway, I'm gonna move this out of the way. And you want to click right here and go like this. And then we put, do a quick edit. Like this. So it's like and right now it doesn't look the best. So let's do this still doesn't look that great. So let's quickly move this down a bit, move it to the side, move this down like this about, so it's like, okay, now this is going to be the part for some more advanced editing, so we're going to scale this down a bit. And we're going to rotate it to match the clip. Then we're going to move this out here, scale it up more, move it like this, move it down, maybe repeat it like this. I think something like this is kind of good, so then we go like, and there you have it, guys. That's how you do it. Make sure you guys want to put the, so I'm gonna repeat the steps for you guys. So first, you put the clip you want on the green screen. So for this one, it's the Gus Fring buff video. I put that underneath the green screen. Then go into effects, click Ultra key, put it on the green screen, and then you wanna click use the key color and match it to the green screen. Just click on the screen for the green screen, and then that's when you actually that's when the clip is at. And for some more advanced editing, you can match it up depending on the size of the green screen. Sometimes it might be the full 1080p. Other times it might not. It might just be smaller, like this clip, compared to the last year's video. So that's how it is. That's how it's done. So let's get Marshall Ricardo. Peace.